Raincoast and myself started studying juvenile salmon in the Fraser Estuary back in 2016, and we very quickly noticed that the Fraser Estuary was really disconnected with numerous structures like this jetty that really interrupt the natural movement of these really small juvenile salmon that use the area. One of the things that we know about estuaries is they're really important transition zones for juvenile salmon. So they're places where juvenile salmon can come and start adapting to saltier and saltier water before they make that push from freshwater to that full salt of the ocean. And so we decided that one of the most important activities in terms of restoration in the estuary was really starting to connect those different habitats that have been disconnected, allow fish to access those brackish water, that mixed water area that they really need to be able to transition to the full salt of the ocean. So we're out here today on the North Arm Jetty at our project site where we're creating a 30-meter wide opening that is going to reconnect the north arm of the Fraser River with the ocean, with the estuary here. We've been working on planning the second breach for about 2.5 years now, and then following the first breach we did some monitoring for 2 seasons to see if it was effective. We found that lots of juvenile salmon were using the first breach, so we decided to move forward with the construction of the second breach. Fortunately, kind of into the fall and winter season, all of the low tides are really occurring at night. So most of the construction work has to occur at night. So pretty challenging conditions for these construction crew members that we have out here. It's amazing to come out and see the finished project. Yeah, most of the stressful parts are done now, and we just get to do the monitoring, which we're very expecting that it's going to go the way that we want, and that we're going to be seeing a lot of juvenile salmon using this area now.